Hey, it's Stormy B, and I am here today just coding or learning how to code. So, I am working today. Today's Monday, right? And my son is supposed to be in school, but he got a cold hanging out with his dad, and he said he couldn't go to school today. So, today was supposed to be my day with a client later on, and now I am trying to practice my software development course on CourseCareers and prepare for my client that's going to be here in about 30 minutes. And I went ahead and I took on another client, and my son just sneezed. So that must mean he's getting better because I've been taking care of him since last night. Because you cannot stay sick too long in my house. No, 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 no. We don't keep germs alive that long. Anyway, I just wanted to give you all just a little update of my course of where I'm at. So, as far as the software development course, I'm about 40% way through the course. I've completed, I'm going to look at, oh, that's the course that I'm in. So, I'll show you. This is just some of the HTML that we're setting up for one of the projects that we work through with the instructor. And currently I am about, like I said, 40% way through the first part of the course, which is about 250 videos. So I have about 101 done that I've completed already. And let's see. So I went through the front end basics, HTML, crash course CSS, introduction to programming with JavaScript, which is about 34 lessons, which is it's really good though. It is so worth it. Yeah, it takes a lot to get through, but you want to go through it and, code along if you can. I didn't code along with that when I just wrote my notes down because I like to have a reference to go back to, like a little, cheat sheet and everything. So, so I went through that, and now I just completed the mini lesson. Two of the three mini lessons that we have. So the to-do list, the random password generator, and right now I'm working with the instructor on the JavaScript calculator. And then after that, we have to pick our independent project ideas. So I don't know what mine's is going to be yet, but I have one in mind, but I know it's going to be too complicated. Don't pay any attention to my little rap. This is for my carpal tunnel. So, because I work on a computer and I still do hair and I lift weights, so I gotta make sure that I keep my hand intact. But anyway, I digress. So, yeah, so this course is going really well. I think I'm going to do an in-depth update really about the course and try to dig into it as much as I can without giving you guys too much because it's not my material to share. So, but I really am enjoying this course, and looking forward to completing the first part of it because just so you know, the reason that the software development course is more is because it's a lot longer and it's two parts. I'm assuming because it's two parts to the course, because after you finish all the front end and back end basics for the course and everything else that you need in order to, get a head start with software development, then you pick a specialty. So you can pick front end development, or you can pick back end development, or you can do DevOps. So I'm planning on doing DevOps because that kind of ties into cloud engineering, and with the coding and everything, I feel like I'll have a well-rounded, skill set in order for me to be able to kind of liaison wherever I'm needed. Like in DevOps, you could be put into coding, you can be put into operations, infrastructure. So yeah, that's what I would like to do. I like to have that type of flexibility, and this is the journey to get to it. So One more thing I wanted to share that I think is some really, really good news. With everything going on and me getting prepared to go into completing my bachelor's because I have my associate's degree. So I decided that I was going to do my bachelor's and master's because fortunately I was one of those who got my loans forgiven. So I'm just like, okay, that's what stopped me from getting my bachelor's before, is that I didn't want to take out any more student loans. And now that all my loans and stuff are forgiven, so I decided that I would go and pursue my degree because I don't have the hiccups that I had before. And so I will be going to WGU. I've been accepted. I'm enrolled. I'm just waiting for my updated transcript evaluation to see exactly how many classes I'll need to take once all of my credits are transferred. But instead of the IT bachelor's dual program with the information technology management master's degree, I will be doing software engineering. And then after I finish the software engineering bachelor's degree, then I will be going into a master's. I haven't picked a master's yet. I'll share that with you guys once I get to that point. But the reason that I decided to just go ahead with software engineering, because that more so complements my background. The reason I didn't do cloud computing is because cloud computing, I can like basically learn that on my own, and it also complements software engineering. And the software engineering skills are still needed in cloud. So you still get you have to get a cloud certificate in the software engineering course anyway. So they all merge together. So you can't really go wrong. Well, I can't really go wrong with doing software engineering, but I feel like that's where I really need to hone in my skills, is in programming, because I like to learn how to build more things on the computer. So it just made more sense for me to do that, and to just continue to do my cloud learning on my own as I've done so far. Security Plus, that's still in the works. That's not required for this program, but I'm still going to complete it because it's just great to have. So some software development jobs, they do want you to have Security Plus for the clearance. So I'll still be moving ahead with that. But one course that is still required in software engineering as well as it was in IT is networking. So the Net Plus, I do have to get that. And if I get it before I start the program, then that's more credits towards my degree and another course that I don't have to take. So, which is great. So maybe I might, but I'll be starting in a few months. So like, I'm not really going to put too much pressure on myself if these things are already lined up anyway. So it seems like I'm really doing a lot, but everything ties into each other. And I'm totally fine with that. So this is just like, me being in college, but I'm just kind of like making my own curriculum until I actually enroll back to college. So, yeah. And I hear my son playing. He's supposed to be sick. He's going to school tomorrow. Yes, sir. Okay. So I just wanted to jump on here and just give you guys just a little update of how it's going with the software development course and CourseCareers. It is going great. I love it. It's not easy. It's definitely challenging, but I love solving problems. I love figuring things out. I love finding different ways to solve them. So I'll share more. I'll do a full in-depth, updated review video, whatever you want to call it, but I'll definitely do a longer video to give you guys a little more insight if you're interested in attending. Okay? All right, so thank you so much. If you like this video, of course, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, and share with a friend. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.